Hello, welcome to this new episode. This is Magic Crochet issue number 32. Let's begin browsing. The first pattern, look how pretty the color is. I love the color. The pattern information, Social World by E.K. Thornsbrough. This is the chart for the dolly on the first page. Let me continue. These are pot holder medley. There is 4 different designs. Let's continue. 2 more doilies. I like this one better. Let's continue. Pillow front, designed by E.K. Thornsbrough. It was made with cotton number 30. Come to the chart. Let's continue. The next design is Oval Flare by E.K. Thornsbrough. Here are the charts for the doilies on the previous page. Or these 2. These are the charts. The first dolly is Crystal Clear, and the second one is Berries and Leaves. Both were designed by Yoko Suzuki, made with cotton 30, and this one was made with cotton number 5. Let me see if there's a larger photo of this dolly. Knob Heel Bedspread, designed by Yoko Suzuki. It has popcorns. 2 more doilies. The chart for this dolly is in the previous page. Oval Flare by E.K. Thornsbrough. This is the chart for this one. And this one is number 11. Let me see. Wow, look at this one. I love this one. I would love to make the tutorial for this one. This is my favorite so far. The name is Center of Attraction by E.K. Thornsbrough, made with cotton number 30. Pineapple Sundae by E.K. Thornsbrough. This is the chart for the dolly. For the dolly in the previous page. This one. Let's continue. Curtain in Blossom. No designer information. It was made with cotton number 5. This one was made with cotton number 30. This is Saturn, designed by E.K. Thornsbrough, made with cotton number 20. Here is the chart. I guess this is the information for these placemats, and the information for these curtains were in the previous pages. Here, curtain in blossom. This is the photo. Let me continue. Butterfly tablecloth by Yoko Suzuki. Made with cotton number 5. A collar, pearl studded collar by Kei Ichida. Here is the chart. Maybe there's a larger photo further ahead. Encrusted belt. Here is the chart. Oh my god, this is Airy Delft, designed by E.K. Thornsbrough, made with cotton number 40. Here is the chart. Wow, it's really pretty. Too big of a project for me. 33 rows. Let's continue. Here's the collar. Let me go back and show you the charts for these two. This is for the collar and the belt. I have never done this. This looks like a purse. Purses. Dressy drawstring purse. Handy change purse. Here's the instructions. Made with cotton number 30. The designer is Kei Ichida. Both of them. Let's continue. More instructions on the purse. Let me see. Merry Christmas pillows. Maybe there's photos further ahead. Red hibiscus. Holy napkin ring. Christmas stuff. Nativity scene. It is cute. Here is the instructions for the nativity scene. Made with cotton number 8. All the instructions. Let's continue. More instructions for the nativity set. More instructions on the nativity set. Half the magazine has the instructions. Three trims. No designer information. It's a continuation of the nativity set. Gold and silver ornaments. Are these doilies? Or are they part of the nativity set? Oh, those charts are for the ornaments. Let's continue. Santa in one horse open sleigh. Bright candles pillow. Nothing here. The last page. Let me show you my favorite design from this issue. The first one is Center of Attraction. I would love to make the tutorial for this one, except that is 47 rows. It will take me forever. This is my second favorite. The name of the pattern is Berries and Leaves by Yoko Suzuki. This one is only 19 rows. And that's it. If you like my content, I appreciate it if you like, comment, share, and subscribe. That helps my channel. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.